Good morning, Roxy and Tony. Good morning, everyone. Sources telling the Associated Press that the state of California is working on a new plan that would have vaccines allotted to specific neighborhoods that have higher than normal cases of COVID-19. Let's go to the video. We're talking about 400 zip codes throughout the state. Now, again, this has not been officially announced, but word is that the state will be setting aside up to 40% of all vaccine doses for California's most vulnerable neighborhoods, those 400 zip codes with some of the highest case numbers throughout the state. Once the state gives out 4 million doses in those specific neighborhoods, it could then revise the metrics for moving into less restrictive tiers. Meanwhile, health officials continue to remind all of us that even though things appear to be better, those COVID-19 numbers than they were in January, now's not the time to let down your guard.
Our biggest worry is of course, that people will relax too much, decide not to wear their face masks, decide not to keep their distance, decide to go back to having big parties. We're just not there yet. None of that will be safe at this point.
Don't get lax, wear a mask. It's a message being echoed across the country, even as the number of COVID-19 cases go down and more vaccines go out. There is a concern that between pandemic fatigue and a false sense of security that vaccines might bring, people will let their guard down. With LA on the path to the less restrictive red tier, which means more businesses and schools can reopen, more and more people will be out and about. And while dwindling hospitalization numbers are a good sign, LA County's health department says they're still averaging 100+ COVID-related deaths every day. Now, the CDC is also recommending that people continue to wear a mask or face covering. They point to a recent study about the effectiveness of masks, which includes statistics on double masking, which the study says could block up to 85.4% of all cough particles. Now, bringing it back here live, there has been no official announcement yet, and those 400 zip codes, if true, well, they have not yet been released. Reporting live in San Fernando, I'm Gigi Graciette. Back to you.